Two new studies link COVID vaccines to temporary changes in menstrual cycles.
It's the first research published on a symptom many women have voiced concerns about. Now, as more people get the updated booster shots, News 8's Hannah Mordeau spoke to a local OB to understand what this means for women and girls. Hannah, good morning.
Hey, good morning. So the main takeaway doctors say is that these changes, like heavier bleeding or longer periods, are simply an immune response. No different than when your arm hurts or you get a fever after getting the shots, and it's all temporary. So this latest study was published last week in the Journal of BMJ Medicine. Researchers looked at 20,000 women and found that the COVID-19 vaccine caused most to have a slightly longer period. However, when the women got 2 shots during a menstrual cycle, their periods lasted about 4 days longer. The other study was published in Science Advances. This survey included around 39,000 women. It found that 42% of the women who had regular menstrual cycles had heavier bleeding after a COVID-19 shot. 44% of the women reported no change. When it came to people who typically do not have a period due to birth control, menopause, or gender-affirming hormones, 66% reported some breakthrough bleeding after getting the shots. I spoke with Dr. Jennifer Tinder, an OBGYN at Axia Women's Health in Carmel, and she says it's important to know that these changes are not hormonal. They will not impact your fertility or ovarian function.
Short-term changes in your menstruation have not caused long-term effects. The thought is that it's more of an inflammatory response as your body's immune system is being stressed in order to expose you to this potential disease that could later on, cause harm. And I think that it's important to note that getting the vaccine, although you might have these short-term changes, shouldn't cause long-term effects.
And she also says that any changes to your menstrual cycle should not last more than 3 months. If it does, you should call your doctor. It just could be an underlying issue that has nothing to do with the COVID-19 vaccine. Hannah Mordeau, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.